So legends, welcome to vlog 270 on the Miles Rolden YouTube channel. Today's vlog focuses on these these sims being installed. That's here at the Dream Home Building Project in Sapian, Capiz. Welcome to the Miles Rolden YouTube channel. Subscribe if you haven't, like this content. Legends, welcome to vlog 270 on the Miles Rolden YouTube channel. Welcome to the Dream Home Building Project here in Sapian, Capiz in the Philippines. The Dream Home Project is a small humble home that I'm currently building to house myself and my brother and our families, as well as my mother and father to retire and enjoy their retirement years in. We're gonna have a look at the updates. The work is ongoing with the outside kitchen, the dirty kitchen here, and yeah, let's come along for the ride on with the vlog. So the electrical work is still ongoing here with Christian chiseling some more space for tubes. And that loud noise that you hear, legends, is our team, including Foreman Rocky, installing more and more of these sims, these corrugated steel sheets on our trusses, making our roof for the outside kitchen. Again, if you saw the previous vlog, legends, you'll see that we have already allocations for lights provided by our electrical team. We have 3 lights here, one dropping down there, another dropping there, and another one down here. Yeah, so we will continue back here and give you further updates on the installation of this roof. On with the vlog. We are on the ground floor, legends, and Nanoy Jovin is continuing the finishing and rendering of this newly allocated window. If you've seen previous vlogs, we moved this window slightly to the right to allow for us to install a shower head unit on the left there. And Nanoy Jovin is continuing the good work of rendering this window, making it straight, flush and finished. So legends, welcome to vlog 270 on the Miles Rolden YouTube channel. Today's vlog focuses on these these sims being installed. That's here at the Dream Home Building Project in Sapian, Capiz. Welcome to the Miles Rolden YouTube channel. Subscribe if you haven't, like this content. Today is another sunny day here in the Philippines, legends. Very hot and humid. Good day to install a roof. John Leo is continuing the skim coat here on the top deck. If you saw the previous vlog, legends, you'll remember the electrical team. GangGang was here on the top deck installing a switch or so or an allocation for a fire alarm, and that's also been rendered and looks awesome. And we also now have some plumbing here that has also been taken care of by Uncle Colot, just here. So we'll have a small sink here, just so we have an allocation to clean plates or clean food, whatever we wish. Also, legends, again, if you've seen previous vlogs, you'll remember Didong Jerson was on here on this final panel that was left by John Leo, and he has finished rendering this wall. So this entire wall now on the balcony is fully rendered inside and out, and is awaiting a skim coat. And once that's all done, and we can also install the glasswork. So this roof continues to be installed, legends. It's a tin roof, a corrugated steel sheet roof made of second-hand materials that we have sourced from our build in the city, Roa City. We have a boarding house, and because we made that roof a concrete roof, all of these sims have now been transferred over here to form our outside kitchen. And yeah, you can probably see there's some holes, some damage, but we are restoring them. We have cleaned them, removed them of rust using a steel wire and sanding paper, and we have put a base coat of red oxide to prevent more rust from forming, and then we will cover the holes and paint again. Christian's been working all day on this tube. He'll now bury it. Now that it seems like he's happy with it.
Lan.
That noise you can hear in the background is the drill legends, as more and more thick screws are being drilled in to this roof.
Lan.
Tama ang imo kot-kot, Christian?
Ha?
Tama siya?
Oh.
Hindi siya dalunggid daw, right?
May flooring mo tayo.
Oh. Legends, let's have another look at Nonoy Jovin's window from the outside. So now that's standard size for a CR or a toilet, and Nonoy Jovin is rendering it inside. Let's also have another look at some of these electrical wiring. It's covered. See the allocations, legends. Looks like another Euro is coming out. Wow. The string's been caught. ma-flashing kita. I have to buy that. Where we buy that? May flashing sila sa hardware sa what? May ara. Oh, it's very hot here, legends. Oh, the sun's beating down on us. I admire these boys for carrying on. Let's try and get a better angle on this, legends. Legends, if you're enjoying this content, please show us some love, hit that like button, share the content, and if you are new and you haven't already, please do decide to hit that subscribe button. It helps us out immensely. If you wish to ask us a question, legends, about anything you're seeing in today's vlog, please do hit that comment section below. It's key for engagement, and as we build this channel, it's important that we get comments, so please do leave one. Even if it's just kind words, that's always welcome. You can also get a hold of me on Facebook, Instagram or TikTok, and direct message me on those platforms. Just search Miles Roldan and give me a follow. So this is very dangerous work, legends. I know we're not at extreme heights, but still, one wrong footing can result in a an injury. So the guys are treading carefully, and I appreciate that. This piece seems to be a bit longer than the rest. It's all good. I'm sure they'll flush it out. And Jobert continues to paint this Sims with more red lead, using this steel brush to clean and clear it. So Nuno Jovin looks like he's starting the rendering and finishing on the outside of this window.
Oh!
Ako talay, dala na yung hindi.
Magjurit ng bakla. Sinunoy lang mo.
So John Liu is wrapped around now and is at this front facing wall now. Oh, kainit sa hapon. Oh, hi, may handa ka? Si Adrian.
Layo. Boss, handa ya boss.
Basi, we will see. Sa tao lang.
Tawo lang.
Oh, our guys.
Ito boys.
Ano gusto mo? Pato?
Sige.
Kambing? John Liu is looking forward to our fiesta here in Sapian. It's coming up in July, last week of July, which is not long now. Just under, what, 6 weeks? John Leo's little girl is calling him. Right, legends, that's it for vlog 270 on the Miles Roldan YouTube channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. I had a blast making it. I'm gonna go try edit it now. If you are new to my channel, hit that like button, hit that share button, and please do consider hitting that subscribe button. It helps me out immensely. And if you're one of my ongoing supporters, one of my legends, continue to support my channel and my journey here in the Philippines. Thank you so much for tuning in. With all this being said, I hope to see you in the next vlog. 271 will be next, 271 on the Miles Roldan channel. It's me, myself and I, Miles Roldan. Thanks for watching.